The situation that is being observed is that the manipulation of media exists in all users. Based on education, at the time that the students do their assignments or activities, they navigate through multiple web pages that do not often provide truthful information. These web pages provide false information, and this causes the students carry out the research-based student life false and with lack of search for reliable sources to get their works done properly. The Society of King's Landing needs a system that can process information given and check if it's real or not. To solve this problem, it will be created an official webpage where the individual can be able to verify if the source of information is true or false. To do this, it requires a lot of research for it to add in the system. In this way, you will get the actual information of any subject, and then the user requires to investigate. As well, this will facilitate the life of the study, work, and even any other type of request. According to the studies of Stanford University, teens absorb social media news without considering the source. Parents can teach research skills and skepticism. Twitter, Facebook, and Google are taking steps to reduce fake news, misinformation, and harassment on the internet after users express concerns that false news stories and hate speech fueled. If we provide a trustful web page, it will benefit all of the users whom require research of all kinds of information. I suppose each individual would be able to improve their abilities through investigation and also in results. This web page let the user verify if information is real or not. To accomplish it, will require publicity so people can be noticed and have the opportunity to try this fantastic idea of improving the sources of information. Not everything is valid. This system would need to gather a huge amount of information for it to work and get great results and comments from the people who had experience with it. After investigating, I came to the conclusion that there is a way to prevent the use of fake information which has no evidence that indicates it's real. I came up with a solution that can be able to detect if certain information is real or not. A smart system needs to be added in the web page for it to work and offer benefits to all users. The web page will consist in a space where you can paste the paragraph or phrase and click to go. Then the system will analyze the context from where page it comes and more details. If anyone has a doubt, there will be experts responding to your messages. The objective is mainly to avoid that people can use fake information for their works and projects. The adequate way to solve this problem would be through this smart web page. Media manipulation affects everyone except the government and journalists, because their popularity increases and they reach millions within this fake information. Propaganda is mainly influenced by manipulation of media. It is a form of communication that aims to influence the attitude of a community with regard to some cause or position, presenting only one side of or aspect of an argument. In conclusion, the in-depth research on media manipulation regarding the subject in education, it's analyzed that propaganda is a factor by which there are the false news in our surroundings. Today, people are deceived by the media and the use of certain information to develop their activities. The consequences of all this is that you never know the truth of the facts. To investigate, we believe that the information that they provide, web pages, is true, when really it is information purchased to capture the attention of the audience. This new idea of creating a web page, it will be very useful and essential for the life of all. It will facilitate the process of research, the results, and efficiency. In this way, now human beings will have the opportunity to know the truth, to investigate. We out of doubts and we will be satisfied with our work and research. It will be a great way to avoid the manipulation of media by all our environment.